Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races. Man, I don't know what was happening there. They were late to the party here tonight, and Pyro DroneJR, they get out there just in time, and we are racing against the clock. It's like a shot clock. They want to get as many laps recorded in the first 15 minutes. We'll regrid them and do it again. After that, it'll be the combined total. We take our field of 4 down to our final 2 for a reset championship race. It'll come down to that one. It's $10,000. This is different drone racing right now. I tell you what, individual drone racing, we fly usually 90-second championship races. The batteries, the lipos, the gas in the tank on our quadcopters or drones only lasts about 2.5 to 3.5 minutes under race conditions. Here, because we're running 15 minutes, this is a brand new format of team racing, better known as enduro team racing, where after we burn out our battery, run out of juice, we go into the pits and we swap drones or we swap pilots, and we continue collecting the laps as we come up at the 5-minute mark, 1/3 of the way in with 10 minutes still to go. Here is your running order from the top to the bottom. White LEDs still your leaders on lap 9, as is Nexx Blades in green on that lead lap 9 as well. Pyro DroneJR, I believe, has gone up onto that lead lap as well with the blue LEDs, and Drone Space is down a fair bit. About 2 laps back off of our leaders, and we're looking at Cidrone, white laps and white LEDs, and now it sounds like we have penalized Cidrone 1 lap for missing a gate. So now they fought the law won, and now that's going to put Nexx Blades onto the lead lap, Pyro DroneJR on the lead lap, and Cidrone from first down to third. Hey, we throw a flag, we keep racing. That's just how real it is. As you look at our FPV screen here, there's their ranking, top right-hand corner. That's Nexx Blades. See, it's there first. There's the team as they work right there. We got a pilot spawning, and that's your buddy Scully, who has more fun than us. Nobody. 9 minutes still to go here inside of the opening championship period of drone racing. Nexx Blades and Pyro DroneJR 1 and 2, Cidrone in third, and now we're looking at a battle for the 2-3. Blue is Pyro DroneJR, the young kids, they're in second. Cidrone is now hot on their heels in third, and Nexx Blades is ahead of them, but not by much. Here we go. Wow, this just tightened up, guys. Corrections coming in from penalties. And now everyone's on lap 12. They're all on the same lap right now with green LEDs still your leaders. That means we just reset and we're racing for real. Can we keep this up? I think we will. We've gone the best 8 in the game. And now Drone Space, your leaders ahead of Nexx Blades. You change. Your red LEDs ahead of green. And now we have a drone race right here. Yeah, buddy. Watch them red. Watch them race right now as they're up high side about to our Zappos Ring of Fire. Your leaders. Nexx Blades is coming in a little late. That was Pyro DroneJR. The kids feeling the pressure. And who's feeling the pressure? Not our leaders. Drone Space, now your leaders on 12 and 13, and those green LEDs are right behind them. We're looking at a difference right now of less than 2.1 seconds between Drone Space and Nexx Blades, red and green at the top. And we're at the midway point of championship period number 1. 7.5 minutes in, 7.5 minutes ago, and we continue collecting those laps. Drone Space in the pits. Look for them. They're in red. We got one pilot has landed. The next one's ready to go. We're waiting for them to take off. And now he's got issues. Now Nexx Blades is up into the lead as they come into pit. Now Drone Space has yet to come out of the pits. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Now we're just down to Wow, Cidrone, who's short. Now we're going to maybe catch up all over again. Now Nexx Blades back up in the air, and Nexx Blades back up in the number 1 spot. Let's chill just a little bit. Holy guy. This is getting exciting. You're watching it right there. Great shot of our Zappos Ring of Fire or Stargate. Your leaders still are green LEDs. Nexx Blades got back up into the number 1 spot, and Cidrone has now moved themselves up into second. They are just about an entire lap back off of Nexx Blades. 6.5 minutes still to go. Nexx Blades, Captain Vanover is ripping it right now. He is the pilot top or on the left of our FPV screen right now for our Zappos Stargate with the green LEDs. 6 minutes left on the clock, 9 minutes in, 6 minutes still to go. And now we have got Drone Space back in the air. And Free Fall, the pilot that's up in the air for them. This is getting intense. When this one comes to an end, I only think we're going to see 2 or 3 laps difference. Right now, there is 3/4 of a lap between first and second. Then we drop a few back. Then we're going to drop about a half a lap back to Drone Space in third. So now, Nexx Blades, well up front. There they are on the screen. That's Captain Vanover. He's our reigning MultiGP national champion. And he is running hot for the next plates. Here we go. 10 minutes in. 5 minutes still to go in period number 1 on the Clash of the Drones, presented by Zappos, DJI, LG, and our host at home is Caesars Entertainment. Bally's across the way. Wow, this is insane. A few weeks ago, they're filming Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Tonight, we're seeing Who Wants to Win a bunch of money from drone racing. They do esports, we do drone racing tonight. It is all about strategy, risk, and reward. And now we got fast pilots up here for most of our teams, especially Pyro DroneJR. They are 3 laps back. Pyro DroneJR, the young guns, the blue LEDs. We saw them make it in by the hair of their, well, they don't have hair on their chins, but if they did, that's what they made it in by. And now they're still third. Those are our young guys. We're watching Nexx Blades on 22, lap 22. 4 minutes still on the clock. Yeah, buddy. We're going to be awarding some money here tonight inside of our stage, and then the official party after the party is inside of the Indigo Lounge. What a great shot right there. There's our judge team. This is intense behind the scenes. Yeah, buddy. The fire is going. Thank you, Zappos, for bringing us back and bringing the fire. Minutes still to go, and for the last 7 laps, Nexx Blades has been comfortable, and for the last 4 laps, Velocidrone is getting hungry. And I'm not talking about the double burgers and Johnny Rockets inside the food court at Bally's. Velocidrone is coming for your leaders. We got in the sky right now SFPV for Team Velocidrone. They are a lap and a half back. They're the white LEDs above your head. Everyone else is down, right? Now they're going to catch up. White LEDs, they're now 1 lap back. Now we get everyone back up in the air. 2.5 minutes left. Now remember how period 1 will go. We will count it down. We will count it down. And at the tutor, that is when the scoring will go in. No one will finish their lap. It's what we get in at the tutor here in our first period, which will be added to the next for our championship. All right, 13 minutes in. This is your 2-minute warning. A minute 45 still on that clock. Less than 90 seconds still to go in the opening period of the Clash of the Drones. It is a battle of the Titans inside of Caesars Entertainment Studios, and we're all down, and now we're back up. We get knocked down, we get back up again. Pyro DroneJR up in the air. We are just a lap apart between Velocidrone and Nexx Blades. 50 seconds, under a minute. 45 seconds still on that clock. "35 seconds still on the clock." Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. This is really insane right now. 20 seconds still to go, and it's less than half a lap between Nexx Blades and Velocidrone as we get ready to do it right here Yeah, buddy. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the end of period number 1 right there. There is your total at the end of the screen. Unofficially, after 1, we have 21 laps for Drone Space and Pyro DroneJR. Unofficially, 24 laps for Velocidrone. Unofficially, 25 for Nexx Blades. Let's go over to Kat, who's got one of our pilots from Nexx Blades as we verify those scores and get ready for championship period number 2.
All right, so that was crazy. Tell us, what is the hardest part about this course?
The hardest part is when you fly and you see somebody else's video. No, but it's probably the staircase. When you go up, you know, especially if you want to take over somebody, it's so tight, so you have to be very, very careful.
So what are you going to do better for the next heat?
Oh, we're just going to be killing it, as every time.
Yeah, it seems like you guys are okay. What did you do to prepare for this race?
Oh, we build lots of quads and training as usual, I guess. But I guess the team race is the focus. So, you know, when you train, you always think about, you know, the pit stops and stuff. This is the main.
All right, nice. Thank you. Good luck out there. See ya. All right, guys, do not go anywhere because it is heating up.
We did it. I was almost late on that one.
Just your voice. Just your